Welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm Mary.
And I'm John. It's great to have you here again.
Today, we're doing something really fun. We're talking about food.
Yes, and not just any food, our favorite food.
I love this topic already. We're actually in the kitchen right now, cooking while we chat.
That's right. You might hear a little sound of chopping or sizzling. That's because we're cooking our favorite dishes while talking about them.
So, John, what are you cooking today?
I'm making pasta. A simple tomato pasta with a little garlic and olive oil.
Classic. I love that. Smells delicious already.
Thanks. What about you, Mary?
I'm making fried rice, my all-time favorite comfort food.
Oh, fried rice. That's always a winner. So easy and so tasty.
Yes, and it's great because you can use whatever is in your fridge.
True. Okay, before we start talking about recipes, I have a question. What's your favorite food ever?
That's a hard question. I love so many foods, but if I have to choose one, I'd say pizza.
Pizza. Good choice. Who doesn't love pizza?
Exactly. You can have so many kinds: cheese pizza, veggie pizza, chicken pizza.
Pepperoni pizza.
Yes, and you can even make dessert pizza with chocolate and fruits.
That's true. Okay, so tell me, why do you love pizza so much?
I think it's because it reminds me of family. When I was a kid, my family used to have pizza night every Friday. We'd sit together, watch a movie, and eat pizza.
That sounds so cozy.
It really was. And you, John, what's your favorite food?
For me, it's probably pasta, like I'm cooking now.
Of course, you're such a pasta lover.
Yes, I love how simple and flexible it is. You can make it creamy, spicy, or fresh with vegetables.
True. And pasta is fun to make.
It is, especially when you make your own sauce.
So, what's your secret ingredient for pasta?
Olive oil. Always olive oil. And a little bit of love.
Good answer. Okay, let's talk about favorite desserts. What's your favorite sweet thing to eat?
Oh, definitely ice cream.
Really?
Yes, especially chocolate ice cream. It's my weakness.
I love ice cream too. But I think my favorite dessert is brownies.
Oh, yes. Warm brownies with ice cream on top?
Exactly. The mix of hot and cold, soft and crunchy, it's perfect.
Now I'm getting hungry again.
We're literally cooking, John.
True, but talking about food makes me want to eat even more.
Me too. So let's add a little fun here. If you could eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh, wow, that's hard. Maybe rice? Because it goes with everything.
Good choice. You can make fried rice, rice with curry, rice with vegetables.
Exactly. And it fills you up.
I think I'd choose bread. I love bread. Sandwiches, toast, garlic bread, everything.
Bread is life.
Yes, it is. Okay, let's teach some useful phrases about food for our listeners.
Great idea. Okay, one common phrase is, I'm starving.
Yes, that means you're very hungry. You can say, I'm starving. Let's eat.
Another one is, I'm full.
That means you've had enough food. For example, no more, thank you. I'm full.
Good one. And how about, this tastes delicious?
Oh, yes. You can say that when something tastes really good.
Like your fried rice, Mary. It tastes delicious.
Thank you, Chef John.
Another phrase people use is, can I have the recipe?
Yes, that means you want to learn how to make that dish.
And here's a fun one. It's finger-licking good.
Yes, that means it's so tasty that you want to lick your fingers.
Exactly. But maybe don't do that in a restaurant.
Right, only at home.
Speaking of restaurants, Mary, do you like eating out or cooking at home?
I like both. Eating out is fun because you don't have to cook or clean, but cooking at home feels more personal.
I agree. Cooking is relaxing.
And you can experiment, try new recipes, add new flavors.
Yes, and even make mistakes. It's part of the fun.
Exactly. You learn more every time.
You know, cooking is like learning English.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yes, you start with simple ingredients or simple words, and you mix them together. With practice, you make something amazing.
I love that comparison. Yes. And sometimes you make mistakes. Maybe too much salt or the wrong word. But that's okay. You keep trying.
Exactly. That's why we always say, keep practicing, don't worry about perfection.
Right. And speaking of practice, everyone watching, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Practice.
Yes, subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who love food or English.
We post new episodes every week to help you speak English confidently in fun, real-life ways.
Okay, let's get back to our food talk. What's one dish you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?
Sushi.
You've never had sushi?
Nope. I want to, but I'm a bit scared to try raw fish.
Understandable. But it's really good. Light, fresh, and tasty.
I'll try it one day. What about you, John?
Maybe Korean barbecue. I've seen so many videos, it looks so fun.
Oh, yes. Grilling your own food at the table? That's an experience.
Definitely. Let's talk about healthy food for a bit.
Good idea. What's your favorite healthy food?
I love salads, especially fruit salads.
Nice. I like grilled chicken or vegetable soup.
Yum! Healthy food can be delicious too.
Yes. Many people think healthy food is boring, but it's not. You just have to use good spices.
True. And colorful vegetables make it more fun.
Absolutely. Okay, I have a question. What food do you not like?
Oh, that's easy. Bitter gourd. I just can't eat it.
Me too. So bitter.
Yes. What about you?
I don't like too spicy food. I can't handle it. Oh, come on. A little spice is good for you.
Maybe a little, but not too much.
All right. Next question. What food reminds you of home?
Oh, that's a nice one. For me, it's soup, especially chicken soup. My mom used to make it when I was sick.
Aw, that's sweet. And you? For me, it's fried rice, like I'm cooking now. My mom made it for lunch almost every Sunday.
Food really connects us to memories, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. It's not just taste, it's emotion, warmth, love.
That's true. That's why people say food is love.
Exactly. And food brings people together, like us right now.
Cooking, talking, laughing, that's the best way to learn English too.
You're right. When you enjoy the topic, you remember the words better.
So true.
All right, John, before we finish, let's review some of the food phrases we used today.
Great idea.
Okay, repeat after us, everyone. I'm starving.
I'm full.
This tastes delicious.
Can I have the recipe?
It's finger-licking good.
Perfect. These are great everyday English phrases you can use anywhere.
Yes, at home, in a restaurant, with friends, or when traveling.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone, we hope you enjoyed today's episode about talking about your favorite food.
And remember, don't be afraid to talk about what you love in English.
Yes, use simple words and practice a little every day.
You'll get better and better, just like cooking.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Daily English Practice.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful.
And leave us a comment. Tell us, what's your favorite food?
We'd love to know.
All right, that's it for today.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.